What's up, people? It's Elvis here from Elvis Uptown, blogspot.com, live day trading videos. Today is July 13th, 2011, and as always, to get the same watch list I use in my videos, hit up the blog in the morning. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. Don't forget to use the subscribe buttons here. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, RSS feed. Anyway, the market is going to open up in about 5 minutes, and we are gapping up decently, about 0.5% on the SPYs, and same with the diamonds. So I'm going to look for negative to positive real quick, and I'll be back when we open up. Alright, didn't find the negative to positive that met all my criteria, so I'll just be back when the market opens up and probably sit on my hands for a little while. Alright, here we go. Market's gonna open. And I'll be back with some trades. Alright, just got a fill short on this ABX and giving it 4 cents of risk. So I got short from 79, gonna cover at 83. That's where my stop is. And I'm shorting it based on the pre-market action here. We did get a sell signal pre-market, so I'm looking for some profit taking on the open here. And we actually just got stopped out, which is not really a big deal due to the small risk we had on the idea. So on to the next. Still got a lot of time. And looking at the eco calendar, we got Bernanke speaking at 10 o'clock. So that could be a key event. Petroleum status report at 10:30. That's another key event. Alright, just got to fill in this AMP. And we're trying the 5-minute range slash 3-minute range game here. And see if it works, and could go through 10 and give us a nice trade up to this 30 area. Alright, we took a stop on the amp and gave it a shot. So my morning trade's gonna work out. So I'm gonna sit on my hands right now and wait for my system here to get me in some stuff. Alright, last little idea before I really sit on my hands is Novella's short through the previous day's low. Just gonna risk 2 cents right now. Short from the low, and stop out's 52. Short from 50. I took the stop on the NVLS, and I thought it was gonna go right away. That's why I kept that stop really tight. So I'm gonna sit and wait right now. Alright, next trade, long QCOM. One of the stocks I like trading them long from about 60 here. Buy signal off a decent down move. I got a good entry. So I'll update. Now we got a little pull in here, which made me add to this. So I got a nice little position, average about the same, 56, 58. So this could turn out really nice. Got a nice price. We got a 10-cent profit here. Let's see if it keeps going. So basically we got a free trade right now. And now we're quickly up 15. I will take my 10 cents. Alright, I'm out of there. Could have worked out better. I took the profit though. So, still got lot of time. Like I said before, 10 o'clock, Bernanke speaks, so anyway, on to the next right now. And right now with the market selling off like this, I'm just looking for something to short. Maybe this DKS. I don't want to chase it down though. That'll be too much risk. Oh, look at that. Wasn't able to get into nothing. 10 o'clock, what the hell is going on? It's just Bernanke speaks, that's it. That's what I see here on the blog. Wonder what happened. That's all we got. Yeah, so it seems like what Bernanke's saying is positive. That's making the market rally right here. Let's look for something to buy. So that little down move right there, that got all the got everyone thinking short like me, and now they're all running for the door at the same time. Wow. So anyway, I'll be back with some more stuff. Alright, after a move like that, it's pretty tough to just chase it up. So I'm looking for some pullbacks. Trying to get an auto desk on this buy setup. See if it comes into the 29 area and put my stop at 20. So I'll update this. And market still continues to push up through the highs. Still going. It's almost at yesterday's high. I wasn't able to take advantage of anything there. See, APOL. Guess we're gonna give this a shot here. So I got most of my shares now. So 2,000 shares at an 82 average. At least I found something here. See if it's gonna at least retrace the 50% retracement of the day. Just 50.12. That'll give us a nice profit. Now we got up 10-15 cents. So basically a free trade going here, and my first fill price is $49.99. I'm gonna take off most right there, about 1,400 shares. So pretty much got a free trade here, as well as a guaranteed profit if I take mine at 10 cents. But I think we're gonna get that fill at 99. That's what it seems like. So I'll update this and see if I get a fill. The market's still pushing higher. Anyone that shorted that there, they're probably covering now. Alright, we're pretty much at that 99 area. I'm getting a little greedy. I want 02 actually. So getting a little bit more out of that fill, if anything. Come on. No, who knows who wants to get through 50. Well, got a little greedy and looks like I might pay for it now. The market's ripping right now. I think it goes higher than 02. Let's try 05. If it gets through that number, it's just gonna pop. The market's ripping. Got a really high tick rating right now. Check this out. It's up over 1,000. So a lot of upticks going on right now on the NYSE. We're back on that 50. So I'm kind of getting sick of this. But I'll stay with it. Man, it should go right here. Really thin on that offer. Doesn't mean much though. There we go. We got through now. Let's see if we get a fill. I got one at 04. A bunch of sells went off though. See if it dips below 50 again, I'm out. Just seeing if I see a print down there, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm out of there. Good trade. Just stayed with it. Got 20 cents basically, so it's not bad at all. I don't know if I recorded that. Short GG, really small sell signal, giving it to the high, and just staying small. That's why we're staying small. So we got stopped out. Yeah, so not much more to say about that. Next trade. I just looked around a bit, and it seems like we're not going to have anything to do for a little while. Since everything is obviously already made its move, we made some money. And so we're going to just sit around and wait for a nice setup. And see, I could have got the fills on this APOL if I was a little bit more patient. Anyway, let's get on to the next trade. Alright, got short the SPYs. We got a sell signal there. Got a pretty good fill. Not risking much on it. So let's see if there's some profit taken. This was a very strong move up. Let's see where it finds some support. We basically got up 10 cents, so I'm going to take a free trade here. And I'll update. Alright. Sorry. We took some profit on the SPY. I got some wrong fills going on, but it all ended up well. The crude oil inventories just came out, so I might trade one of those. I know they're all at session highs right now, so I'll be back with some more trades, guys. I just bought a little Walgreens. Listen to the news guy right now. Some positive stuff came out on it. So might buy more on this pullback. Just looking for this 24-cent target. So I'll update this trade. Looks good. The volume just came in too. Should get a fill there. Probably even go through. Alright, almost at the 23 target. And there we go. Easy little trade right there. Thanks to the news guy. Alright, got long Novelis. And I know this signal is going to print. Long 2,000 shares from 04. And I'm up 10 cents already. See if this continues on and goes through highs. That'll be nice. I'll update. Alright, almost up 20 cents, so gonna look to take some profits. This is pretty easy right now. It's not very hard. Just look for stuff to buy and that's it. Cover half it when I hit that 20 cents. So we're right at the highs. Let's see if it goes through. We're at that 24. Let's see if it fills. Alright, got a fill there. Next target, 50. So right now I put my stop on this Novellis to 19. That way I'll book 15 cents in the trade. Be nice if it goes up to that 50-cent area though. That seems like the next resistance from yesterday over here. Alright, I got flat the NVLS. I took the fill at 26 in there. Seems like it's gonna go now. Oh well. I got impatient. Now I'm trying the short game again. Sell signal on clack. Extended move. Trying to get a 22 fill. Ideal entry here could still be 20, just trying to get a little bit higher, get a little bit of a better price. And my stop is going to be right at the high, 32 actually. So 10 cent risk on this. I got a fill, 22, as you can see. Let's see if this works. So far the short side hasn't been paying after this extreme up move. But I haven't tried any shorts actually, except for the spies. Spies even it's another sell signal here, but it's we got a buy signal, sell signal, sell signal, so it's kind of chopping you around. I wouldn't have taken this trade nor the buy signal. I did take that one. That was the right one to take. Alright, now maybe we'll just go sideways. Maybe we'll see some profit taking. I don't really know, but I'm doing what I see, and what I see is to take a short on clack right now. That's what my system is telling me. So I'll update this. This actually might even be the last trade. I'm gonna call it a day early. And market actually looks like it's gonna reverse here. I have some trend lines drawn in on this up move on the 3-minute, and looks like it's just starting to break it right now. I'll actually show you guys. I have it started at 10:09. Well, for some reason it looks different on my other chart there. It's not like that. Alright, let me do this first. I'm wasting video time. Okay, it's like that. I drew it in. It stopped at 10:42, so it's just starting to break lower right now. It's going to find support obviously somewhere, I think at 89, so it's got a little bit to go. Could retest, we'll see. And on this clack, I'm looking for a 20-cent move. Look for it to retest this support area, retest the whole number. So good 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio on that. And as you can see here, the spies are retesting my channel. And this looks like it's going to work. I'm just going to put it out there. Maybe I'll get a fill. So I'll update. So far looks good here. Retest of the trend line of the channel. And probably a move lower. I'm not sure where. Like I said, I think probably to this 89 level at least, and at most I got this other proprietary target at 82. It's not shown here. It's on my other charts. So anyway, I'll update you guys. Actually, this moving average has moved up already. I still think the support is clear cut. Maybe at 05. I'll put it at 06. Cover more than half. Alright guys, we're up 10 cents, so it's basically a free trade now. I would like it to see it hit the target though. Obviously. Can't always get our way. So we'll get flat at 22. Alright, our fast line moving average here caught up to the price. Let's see if it gets a bounce. It's right there at 10. Alright, it just broke through under. Let's see if it hits our target now. Target now is at 03. Should do it. Let's see what happens right here. I might cover if I don't get my fill. Definite profit now. This is profit taking moment, and I got a fill. So nice little 20-cent trade. And gonna look for another one. And if I don't really see anything I love, I'm just gonna call it a day. Alright, looked around a little bit, didn't really find anything. Looking back at the clock trade, it was nice and easy there. It looks like we got a really nice fill. We picked almost a perfect target. Like I said, I was talking about this support area from yesterday. That was the area to cover. That was our resistance for today, and previous, so you guys know, previous resistance becomes support. So anyway, on to the next. Let's see if I find something else. Waiting for this QCOM to print the signal. Probably take this one. Alright, it's gonna print for sure. Just bought. Got 1,000 shares at 82. And my stop is 75, which is the low of the candle with the signal. So I'll update this. It'll probably be my last trade here. It's been a interesting trading session. Alright, getting a nice little move off my buy signal. Almost up 10 cents. Gonna give me a free trade. So I'll update this. It's a pretty laid back trade right now. Our market's starting to come in a little bit as we basically forecasted. You know what, I'm going to take mine on this. There's no reason to hold it really. I had 7 cents of risk, and I booked 6 cents on the trade. Could add a little bit more, but seeing the market come in a little bit like that, it's a little scary. That's what the market looks like on my proprietaries. Run the channel line for you guys, so you could see where we would have probably got short. We got another retest, almost 133.12, and could have kept taking trades here. My system called a short right over here at 10:39, 133.06. So either way, trades making money. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it. Traded about 300 in commissions, up almost 1150. So don't forget to hit up the blog in the morning if you're interested in using the same watch list I get in my videos. And also don't forget to use the Facebook like button. I know a lot of people are on Facebook, so take advantage. You'll get the post up as soon as you subscribe. Obviously, you'll get updated as soon as I post it, which is usually right after I publish the blog post. I go on here and I post it up. So yeah, that's it. Also, if you have any questions about my trading system, which is on the products page, most likely one of your questions will be answered here. If not, in one of the example videos, it'll probably be answered right over here and what you get. So if you have any questions about the trading system or day trading in general, just click the contact button, fill out the form, and I'll get back to you via my email. So not much else to say. Just also wanted to note that the price on the system is probably not going to stay this low. The half price is not going to stay there too long. I left it like this for about 6 months for an introductory price. So soon it's going to go higher, and when it does, I will be releasing another not a pricing structure, but if you want to purchase an individual system, because right now I have 2 or 3, technically 3, but more or less it's still 2. So you'll be able to purchase them individually at, I think I've listed the price at $124.99. So if you want to purchase just the one system that you like, you won't get any updates. You won't get any discounted access to any services I might provide in the future. You won't get access to all the instructional videos, obviously, and maybe whatever else I add in here for the guys that purchase the full package. So it's whenever I raise the prices, I'm going to come out with that pricing structure for each individual system. So hope you guys enjoyed. As you can see here, we got out almost right on time on the QCOM. Notice the weakness in the markets. We didn't have a lot of risk on this, so we took a quick trade. Nothing wrong with that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit up the blog in the morning. to get the daily watch list, economic calendar, upgrades, downgrades, the gap stocks link. Actually, I use since I use Lightspeed, I get this risers and fallers list, so I don't use that anymore. So if your software doesn't give you an option like this, basically this is a tool. If you don't have that, then it's a good link to use right here, for the gap stocks in the morning. If that's something you guys look for, that's pretty much how you get to it. So yeah, leave me some feedback in the video, comment. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.